Okay, Anita, I'm going to give you some feedback here. This is fine, but you'll have to change this because we are now the Fraser Faculty of Education, not the Mitch and Leslie Fraser Faculty of Education. This is fine. This works. This is pretty busy, and I would actually simply go, I would just have these three major titles and talk about it. And you could have the importance of remedial programs, and you could put those references there. You could have limited articles and put those references there. You don't have any references for the absence of rigorous metric, so you might want to add them, but then leave the other text out. It is getting a bit busy. This is fine, but don't double space your research questions. So there should be no big space here, no space here, and certainly no space here. It makes it harder to read. This works. And this works as well. This is too busy. It's too small to really read, and so I don't really think you need it. So I would delete this slide, and then you can replace it with this slide. I would have this as a different color and this as a different color. Now it looks like you're mostly using these ones here. I don't know what you're pulling from the social integration in terms of the theoretical framework, but if these three boxes were a color and these three boxes were a color and then this was just neutral, I think that would make more sense. Uh, I would actually get rid of this. I suppose, yeah, okay, maybe I wouldn't. You've got the theoretical framework and the literature reviews feeding into the conceptual framework, and then this gives you the construct. So that's fine. I understand it now. That's okay. Now, you've got the scale here. This is confusing, so I would say instead of saying survey here, I think you mean open-ended questions from the survey that you're asking, and then the semi-structured interview questions. I'm not sure I would put them all on the screen here, so I might just have open-ended survey questions and semi-structured interview questions, and just tell us that they will be focusing on and you can have, if you want to have student learning and these 5 things, you could have the 2 things and then them leading to those areas without these questions here, because this is a pretty busy slide. This is fine. And this works. This is a lovely slide. This works really nicely. And then you're going to talk about the lighting reliability. That works. This is fine. And that works. So yeah, that's my feedback.